graphs of linear equation in two variables, or how to draw a straight line in graph. But before that, suppose we have a x-axis and y-axis. Suppose I have taken a point here, let it be P, okay, and I have taken another point here, let it be Q, whatever the coordinate it is. And if you join these two points using a, like if you join P and Q, what will be that? It makes a straight line. So that PQ line, we have to draw this. Okay, so question is that graph of linear equation in two variables. So you can see that the graph of two linear equation in two variable will give you the straight line actually in the if you draw it in graph. That means linear equation two variable means here, for example, let it be 2x plus y equal to 5. Let it be 2x plus y equal to 5.
Yes.
Like if we draw this line in graph, you will get a straight line like PQ. PQ is a straight line, na? You will get this type of straight line. How a straight line can be means how a straight line can be in a graph. Like a graph a straight line ki bholte thakte pare. Number one, actually you can see that a straight line we can draw like this also, like this. A straight line can be drawn like this.
Yes.
What is the type of straight line? That is why, this straight line is actually parallel to x-axis. So straight line can be parallel to x-axis. Again, a straight line can be in the form of like this, parallel
to y-axis.
So it is parallel to y-axis. So number two, it can be parallel to y-axis, and another again the line PQ, on the line PQ. So and the line PQ can be, we can extend this, like PQ means we can extend Q from there, like, and it will intersect the x-axis at some point, right now. At some point it will intersect definitely. So that means we can draw another line like this, which will cut both the axes. Right now. So number three, which will cut both the axes. Okay. So these three type of straight line we can see in the graph. We will see. Okay. But let us know that what is mean by, what type of equation of a straight line we have. What type of straight line we have? Like parallel to x-axis, like if you want to draw the line x equal to 2, if you want to draw the line x equal to 2, or if you want to draw the line y equal to 3, then what will be the drawing? Just let us draw the x-axis and y-axis simply, and it is the origin. What is x equal to 2? X equal to 2 means, suppose it is x equal to 1, x equal to 2, then 3. Again here 1, 2, 3, taking 1 centimeter gap, right? Then 1, then 2, then 3, then this and this. So what is x equal to 2? X equal to 2 means that point only that I am marking, that point only, that is x equal to 2. So how to draw this? X equal to 2 means it is a straight line which will passes through x equal to 2, and that will be like this. Only x equal to 2. That means you can see that is parallel to, because there is a distance. You can measure the distance between them. You can measure this distance, that is 2 units. You can measure that distance, that will be also 2 units. Distance between y-axis will always be 2 units. So that means x equal to 2, it is a line.
It is a distance from y-axis.
It is a distance from y-axis. That means if you draw a line that is parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis at the point x equal to 2, you will get the line.
Yes.
So x equal to 2. That means what is the significance of x equal to 2? That is a line which is parallel to y-axis and passes through and cuts, so not passes through and cuts x-axis, at x equal to 2. That is the concept of x equal to 2, right? Na? See that. That is the concept of x equal to 2. Okay. Similarly, if we write x equal to 5, then what will be the concept of x equal to 5? X equal to 5, a line which is parallel to y-axis and cuts x-axis at x equal to 2. Right now, suppose x equal to 5 means key. We can extend this line. Right now, we can extend this line and then write it as x-axis. So 1, 2, 3 points, 4 point, then 5 point. So at x equal to 5, x equal to 5 means that point only that I am highlighting. So x equal to 5, if you draw a line, that is passes through the, if you draw a line which passes through the point, that point is x equal to 5 point, passes through x equal to 5 and parallel to y-axis means always the distance from the y-axis will remain 5 units. Always you can measure distance from anywhere, always the distance will remain 5 units from the y-axis, right? That is that. Then if you draw a line that is parallel to y-axis and cuts x equal to 5, that means the equation of a line will be x equal to 5 only.
Okay.
And what is the point? What is the green point? Say the green point, and what is the red point will be there? The green
Red point is 0.
red point is 2, 0 and green point is 5, 0 only. Since it lies on x-axis, so that means the x point will be taken and y part is there, so y part is 0. That's why 2, 0 and 5, 0 is there. Okay. So that is the
And for y is equal to 3.
and for y equal to 3, wait, I am drawing another graph for that. Wait, I am drawing another graph. That is x-axis and that is y-axis, right? That is x,
Yes,
dash, that
y
is
dash.
y dash, that is origin, taking 1 centimeter gap, taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Got my point, na? So just what is mean by y equal to 3? That means it will cut only y-axis, right? Na? And no x point are there. So y equal to 3 means only cuts.
This.
That means it will go like this. Okay, that point only. So y equal to 3 means what? Y equal to 3 means a line,
A parallel line,
which
which is parallel to x-axis will cut the y-axis in the
parallel to x-axis
parallel to x-axis will cut y in the third means.
and cuts
body.
x-axis, and cuts y-axis
Yes, in third point.
at y equal to 3.
Yes.
That is the significance of the line. If you want to draw like y equal to -2, y equal to -2 means a line which is parallel to x-axis, because y equal to 2 means ki no x part is there. So y equal to -2 means the line which is parallel to x-axis and cuts y at -2. So the line will be like this. Okay. But actually, I have said, I have shown you earlier that I have said that to draw a straight line, we need 2 points normally. So basically, parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis, how to draw, that we have learned, that we have understand. And what is the format of parallel to x-axis? The format of the equation will be parallel to x-axis means key. Parallel to x-axis means here it is y equal to 3, y equal to -2. That means y equal to constant will be there only. Y equal to constant. That is the format of a line parallel to x-axis. Like how will you identify, na? How will you identify a line which is parallel to x-axis? The equation of the format will be y equal to constant, any constant. Right, na?
Y means there can not be more than 2 values or more than one value of y.
More than one, like means just there will be a term of y only, right, na? And parallel to y-axis, you can see x equal to 2, that is a line.
Variable.
One variable. X equal to 2, only x is there. So a line which is parallel to y-axis and cuts x-axis at x equal to 2. So x equal to 2, x equal to 5, this type of lines are parallel to y-axis.
Yes.
So format will be, what will be the format? Format will be x equal to constant only.
Yes.
Like if a equation in that format, then you will understand that the line is parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis, right now? And which will cut both the axes. If it cut both the axes, that means in a equation there will be a two variable equation. Two variable equation means it may be just generally ax plus by equal to c, or plus c equal to 0, you can say. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0, any of them, either equal to c or plus c equal to 0. So that is the called general format of a simultaneous linear equation. For example, I am giving to you, for example, we have done simultaneous linear equation. In simultaneous linear equation means what? It was given two lines, suppose two equations, let it be x plus y equal to 3 and x minus y equal to 5.
Yes.
These two equations will be given, right? And you are asked to solve them. Solve them means ki we know the three ways of solving the algebraic methods. One is substitution, cross multiplication, elimination. You can do it anyway. So on solving these two equations, we will get the values of x and y. So what is the values of x and y here? I think x should be 4 and y will be -1.
Yes.
Right now, that is the value. So actually, but it is algebraical solution. How will you solve it graphically? That is, we can solve by the three method, like substitution, like elimination, like cross multiplication. That is called the algebraic solution. Algebraic solution. But what is the geometrical representation? But geometrical, what is geometrical?
Everything in maths has geometrical representation.
You can say interpretation. What is geometrical interpretation of that, like of these simultaneous linear equations? That is the topic for today. Okay na? Let's see. So x plus y equal to 3, that is one equation is given.
Yes.
Another one, x minus y equal to 5, that is another one equation is given. Right? Got na?
Yes.
Acha. So what is that? X plus y equal to 3. What is the significance? What is the geometrical significance of it? Geometrically, it is a equation of a straight line.
Yes, it is of a straight line. From a straight line in a graph.
In graph, geometrically, this also.
Yes.
Right now, cause actually initially I have written how a straight line can be. Straight line can be in three ways, right? Like parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis, or it will cut both the axes. Right now, in three ways. So if it cut both the axes, then the format is this. Like x, what is ABC? What is ABC here? A, B, and C are constant terms only.
Yes.
Only constant terms. Right now, constant term means it can be a numerical number. Numerical numbers -1, -2, 2/3, 5/3, like that. Only numerical values. And what is x and y? X and y are variables. So if a equation in that means what is the thing is that any linear equation in two variables is called a straight line. So what is the geometrical interpretation? We have learned any linear equation in two variables is called a straight line. So that is the geometrical interpretation of simultaneous linear equation that is already written. So normally simultaneous linear equation means it will be a straight line. So just we will repeat again. What is straight line? Geometrically, it is
A
linear equation in two variables. So I will write it as geometrically.
It depicts linear equation in two variables in a graph.
Right. That means just I am writing here linear equation in two variables will be a
straight line
straight line in graph, or that is the geometrical interpretation. Got my point now?
Yes, and for quadratic equation, those it is ellipse, parabola, hyperbola.
That is the beyond concept like that.
Yes.
Everything has geometrical interpretation. Everything means ki every algebraic equation has its own geometrical interpretation. First one, you are learning the linear equation in two variables, that is a straight line in graph. Then you will learn something more, right now. What will be the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation means ki like ax square plus bx plus c na, like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is called a quadratic equation. That is also a geometrical significance. It will represent some another geometrical shapes, right now. Linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables gives a geometrical shape of straight line.
Yes.
Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That will have a geometrical shape also in graph. That will give you some ellipse or parabola like that. Okay, that will be done in class 11. It's a class 11 concept. Okay, so now question is that how will you plot, how will you draw, right? X plus y equal to 3. We have the two equation, x plus y equal to 3. A graph is there. How will you draw x plus y equal to 3 line in your graph? X axis, y axis, x dash, y dash. You are getting the point now, what I am saying?
Yes.
Okay, so how will you draw this x plus y equal to 3? The rule is that take y equal to this. Always find y equal to something. That means make y as subject.
You can take x also.
X also, but make y as subject. That is for generalized, right now. Just y equal to 3 minus x we are getting. Now make a chart of it, value of x and value of y. We will take 3 pair of values of x and y. Just
Why only take only 3 pairs?
how to draw a straight line? How many points are needed to draw a straight line? Only 2 points?
2 points, but why we are taking 3?
Just for to avoid the mistakes. Maybe you have taken 2 points, that will be a mistake, right now. But to avoid the mistakes, I am taking the 3 points. So let it be, suppose I can take any values of x. I can take any values of x. Any values of x means what? Any integral values of x. Like integral value of x means ki, like 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. No need to take the fraction value. Avoid the fraction value, okay? For take integral value of x, so that integral value of y will come, right now. So if you take 0, 1, 2, I can take. For x equal to 0, what will be the value? If you put x equal to 0 here, what will be the value? Y equal to 3 will come. If you put x equal to 1 here,
2.
y equal to 2. If you put x equal to 2 here, y will be 1. That means what are the points that can be generated by the values? X comma y are the points. The x comma y, the points can be generated
0, 3,
0, 3, 1, 2 and 2, 1. These points are generated
equation.
For this equation only.
Yes.
So that means we have to plot that point only. So plot that points. How to plot that? Take 1 centimeter gap and mark 1, 2, 3, 4 in x axis. 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Like that. Okay, na?
Yes.
So we have to put 0, 3. 0, 3 means where it will be? On y axis.
Yes.
0 means first one is 0.
Yes.
That means no x axis is there. So only here.
Yes.
That is 0, 3 circled. 1, 2. X equal to 1, y equal to 2.
Yes,
That means that point only. X equal to 1. X equal to 2, 2, 1. 2, 1 means x equal to 2, y equal to 1. That point.
Yes.
Now,
If we join it
now
together.
these 3 points, since it is the equation of one straight line, we are drawing x plus y equal to 3. So if you join these 3 points, that will under
Make it a straight line. Yes,
that will be a straight line. Okay. Since I have not drawn by scale, so it can be.
And it is also cutting both the axes.
It will cut both the
equation in
axes.
two variables
Linear
cut
equation in
both
two variables will cut both the axes, and linear equation in one variable that will
only
be
one axis.
either parallel to x axis or parallel to y
axis.
axis. Got my points now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now actually what I mean, why we have drawn 3 points, we can take 2 points also, since actually if we draw 3 points, that will be that to avoid the mistakes, because দুটো পয়েন্ট নিলে মেবি একটা দুটো পয়েন্টের জন্য মিস্টেক্স হতে পারে, বাট ইফ ইউ টেক 3 points, the 3 points should lie on one line. মেবি তোমার সাপোজ 3টে পয়েন্ট এরকম আসলো, a point is there, right, a point is there, and again the a point you are getting there. That means you are getting mistakes, na? Because using these 3 points,
You will not get a straight line.
you will not get a straight line. That means you have made some mistakes. Check it to avoid the mistakes. Okay, that's why. Now let us draw the another straight line. What is the another straight line? On the same graph we will draw x minus y equal to 5, right? X minus y equal to 5 in the same graph. The x minus y, if you draw similarly the same way, find y.
5 plus x.
X minus 5 equal to y. Just I have taken y to the right. Since minus y is there, we have to make y is positive term. Okay, so to make y positive, we will take y minus y to the right, and 5 is taken to the left. That means y equal to actually x minus 5.
Yes.
Now again, chart of x and y, we will take 3 points. If you take x equal to how many what are the values of x can be taken? Any values, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like
6,
that.
6.
X equal to 1, 2 and 3 I am taking. Okay, you can take another value also, like 0, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, na? But remember that do not take so long values like minus 10, minus 20. That it will be difficult to plot the numbers, na?
And it cannot fit also in
Fit,
graph.
you can fit also in the graph. Very good.
In graph it contains up to 8 or 9.
Like that. Like it depends on how what gaps you are taking.
Yes. Of one works, then 8.
Right. So y equal to x minus 5. So if you put x equal to 1 here, y will be. If you put x equal to 1,
X is equal to 1, then
y equal to minus 4. X equal to 2, y is minus 3. And x equal to 3, y equal to minus 2. That means what x comma y, that is the point. What points that can be generated?
1 comma minus 4,
1 comma minus 4
2 comma minus 3,
and 3 comma minus 2. Very good. Now we will plot these points on the same graph. First one is say 1 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 4 will be x equal to 1, y equal to minus 4. That means here, na?
Yes.
Sorry.
2 comma minus 3.
Then 2 comma minus 3 is there, na?
Yes.
2 comma minus 3 is there. Acha. 2 comma minus 3 means x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. This one. Right? Sorry.
Then 1 comma minus 2.
Then 1 comma, then 3 comma minus
3
2.
comma minus 2.
Then 3 comma minus 2. That means x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2. Here only, right?
Yes.
Now we will join these 3 points using a straight line. You can see that these 3 points lying on a straight line.
Yes.
Now these 2 straight lines intersects at a point, that one, that is called the point P. P is called the point
Of intersection.
of intersection. And actually algebraically
What does
that
it,
is the that will give you the solution
which is same.
the solution of both the equation
Yes.
of
Common
both
solution.
both the equation means ki what solutions you have got on solving. You can say x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1, na? That means x comma, if you take x comma y, that means the point will be generated 4 comma minus 1
Yes.
for x equal to x comma y. That was the solution, na? That means P point is that only. P point will be just this point will be 4 comma minus 1 only. You can see that. From -1 you can draw a vertical line, and from 4 you can draw a line. You can see the 4, -1 you are getting.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So what is mean by point of intersection? Point of intersection.
solution.
Solution. Just a common means key. Just one point will be there. Common solution. Common point between the two straight lines. Common point between the two straight lines,
line.
and that will give you the algebraic solution of both the equation. Right now? Got my point?
Yes.
That is called the geometrical interpretation of the straight lines.